شش اکتبر سال 2024 مرکز فوریت‌های پزشکی شیکاگو یه تماس خیلی شوکه کننده در مورد مجروح شدن یه شهروند داخل تیراندازی دریافت کرد.
Someone just got shot in front of the house.
Okay, do you see this person outside?
Yes, he's standing, but he's with some people. Okay.
Slow down, ma'am, slow down. How many people are shot?
One. Someone's helping him, but they said to call 911 out the window.
Are they still shooting?
No, there was like 3 shots. The one that shot him was wearing a yellow utility vest, looking like he was a worker.
قربانی یه مرد یهودی 39 ساله بود که روز شنبه در راه رفتن به کنیسه مورد حمله قرار گرفته بود.
I'm guessing it was one shot. Tell one in the alley. North the alley, shots fired at police. Red hoodie. Heading eastbound in the alley from Farwell.
بعد از شناسایی نزدیک شدن مامورین پلیس به مجرم، اون بلافاصله شروع به تیراندازی کرد. افسرها خیلی با احتیاط و با فاصله مجرم رو تحت نظر دارن و با اون مذاکره میکنن. مجرم بدون توجه به هشدار افسرهای پلیس از پشت سبزه‌ها بیرون میاد و شروع به تیراندازی میکنه.
What is going on? Where is this guy? He's over here. He's over here. He's behind us now.
He's right here. I'm following. He's right here.
There he is.